By the end of this video, you will be able to make this kind of short video. Today, we are showing you 8 fruits with the highest protein level. The very first is guava, the second is avocado, 3 jackfruits, 4 kiwis, 5 apricots, 6 raspberries, 7 raisins, and 8 blackberries. For more health and fitness tips, please subscribe to the channel and check out today's top health-related products at the link below this video. And yeah, you may also make this much money every single month directly to your PayPal account, without showing your face, or even recording any videos yourself. And at the end of this video, I'll literally give you the top 3 methods to monetize this type of shorts. If you want to know the whole process of making money using YouTube Shorts, stick with me till the end and smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification icon for future Make Money Online updates. Now that you've subscribed, let's dive into the video. So, the first step is to find trending keywords for creating shorts. You may use YouTube search auto suggestion to discover trending keywords. For example, search for the best keto veg, and YouTube will show you a bunch of keyword suggestions that are highly searchable on YouTube right now. These are topics that people are interested in watching videos. You may search for any keyword phrase, such as best fruits for weight loss, and see how many highly searchable phrases appear. Each of the keywords listed below is a great keyword to make videos on. The keyword suggestion changes when I replace the term with vegetables. For example, best vegetable salad, best vegetable juice, soup, recipes, diet, and so on. You can make short videos on these keywords, or you can use Google Trends. For example, if you search for keto veggies, the search volume will be shown. However, this is only for the United States. If you require worldwide search volume, alter it to worldwide. You can also set the categories over here. In this case, our category is health. Now it will show the global search volume for the web. But we need to see the YouTube search. Google Trends now displays the amount of YouTube searches for this phrase. It will also demonstrate an interest in rain. This topic is more popular in the United Arab Emirates, the Philippines, the United Kingdom, and the United States. It will also display relevant queries, and believe me, these are the hot keywords for making videos. Here, low-carb vegetables are the top search term on YouTube. So, let's make a video on this topic. As we have found the best keyword to make our shorts, now it's time to proceed to the second step, writing a YouTube Shorts script. To do so, search the keyword on Google. Google will then display a list of low-carb vegetables. You may view any blog article, but I'm going to open the best 21 low-carb vegetables. Now, open a Microsoft Word or Google Docs document. Then, first, include a hook, such as today we are going to talk about the best low-carb vegetables for weight loss. Remember, your hook should catch people's attention instantly, so they don't click away. Then, one by one, copy and paste the name of each low-carb vegetable into Word docs. Okay, our script is done. Here, first, we introduce our topic, which grabs the viewer's attention. Then we add the list of vegetables. And at the end, you need to add a call to action. Write something like, for more health and fitness tips, please subscribe to this channel. Always mention why they should subscribe to your channel. Then add, check out today's best health-related products, link in pinned comment and description. And this is the line that can make you more money. You need to always mention this so that people check out your product and purchase it. That's how you need to write your short script. Then you need to voice over this script, which takes not more than 5 minutes. The third step is to create a YouTube short video. You must need either lumenfiv.com or invideo.com to create the same type of shorts that I have shown you before. Both of these are paid. The price may be seen here. You may use it for free, but it will add a watermark to your video. If you use the premium version, there will be no watermark. The same is true for lumenfiv.com. If you buy its paid version, it removes the watermark. Otherwise, it adds a watermark to the free version. However, on invideo.com, the watermark appears above the video. But lumenfiv.com places the watermark at the end of the video, which makes it easy to remove the watermark section from your video. That is why I am using lumenfiv.com here, so that you may create videos for free. Now first you need to sign up for this, which I think everyone can do. After signing in, click the plus icon to create a new video. lumenfiv.com will give you a variety of pre-made video creation templates. All of their templates are also classified as modern, professional, dynamic, and so on. I'm using this smart template since it works best for me while creating YouTube videos. This is the short preview of this template. If you like the preview, select the 9:16 portrait ratio and then click on Use this template. It will take some time to load the template. After loading, from here you can record your own voice directly to lumen5.com. Just select the microphone over here and click on this record icon to record your voiceover. But don't worry, if you have a recorded voiceover, you can upload it. Now, you need to copy the script and paste it onto the Lumen 5. After that, click on Convert to Video, and it will start converting the text into video using its AI. So, our video is converted. Here, I don't like this slide scene, so I am swapping this scene and you can do so. Lumen 5 provides you with a bunch of slide scenes. Among them, I like this one. Just click on it, and it will change the slide scene. That's very simple. You can preview how it looks. You may also change the text color, fonts, and text size. Now, the second slide looks pretty well, and the third one also. But the background of this final slide not suits the text, mushrooms. You can change the background video from the Media tab. Simply search for mushrooms, and you will get a lot of stock video footage over here. Just drag and drop the video, and it will automatically change it. Basically, the editing in Lumen 5 doesn't seem difficult. It's very easy, and anyone can do it. Here, all of the slides are almost done. Now, if you have a voiceover recorded on your computer, you can upload that from the Music tab. Or you can also use some background music. That is completely copyright free. To upload your voiceover, click on Upload, then Upload Music, and then drag and drop the files over here. Once you have finished all of your edits, you can see a quick preview of how it looks. They mention that, upgrade to remove the Lumen 5 credit scene, but you don't need this. If the preview looks good, click on Publish to download the video. The video is downloaded. Let me know in the comments section, how was the video? Is the video professional enough to be uploaded on YouTube or not? See, this is the watermark that is added by Lumen 5. You can simply delete this portion using any video editing software. As we have a video ready, now it's time to monetize our YouTube Shorts to make money. But before that, do me a favor, if you find this video valuable so far, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications, because that really inspires me to share with you different make money online opportunities every day. The first method of monetization is the YouTube Partner Program, and Shorts ads will be eligible for revenue sharing from February 1st, 2023. However, in order to monetize Shorts, your channel must have 1,000 subscribers, as well as 10 million public YouTube Shorts views within 90 days. That means you can finally earn from the ads people see on the Shorts feed. However, this is only one option. Another option is to use Shorts to promote affiliate items. ClickBank is one of the greatest platforms for promoting affiliate items. Click on the affiliate marketplace to promote items. Then, from this category, choose the health and fitness category, and then select and promote items from the two subcategories, diet and weight loss, and nutrition. All of these are nutritional items. However, you must first sort this result by gravity, as this indicates how well the item is selling on this marketplace. You may market any items that appear to be suitable for your target audience. Let's have a look at what items are available in the diet and weight loss category. The Smoothie Diet 21 Days Rapid Weight Loss Program seems to me a good product to promote. However, before advertising any product, you must first visit its landing page to learn more about it. Only promote that product if you believe it will help your target audience, otherwise, do not promote it. Click on Promote to promote the product. Then, enter a nickname and click on Create Hop Link. And ClickBank will generate an affiliate link for your product. Now the third option is brand sponsorships. A brand will pay you to advertise a product or service in one of your shorts when they sponsor you. And you don't need millions of subscribers to get a brand sponsorship. All you need is the relevant audience and a good amount of views. So that's how you can make money from YouTube Shorts. You may now watch the video on the screen to learn more about Cash Cow YouTube Shorts channel ideas. Thanks for watching so far. And make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification icon to get notified first.